Best Kimi K3 AI prompts for beginner. The first is explain this in simple terms, and over here write whatever thing you want to be explained in a simple way. It's just like explain complex topic in an easy to understand way. The next is summarize this in 5 bullet points, and just explain whatever thing you want to be summarized in 5 bullet points, and it gives you quick, clear summaries. And another is create a step-by-step guide. Once you do that, explain what thing you want to be understood in a step-by-step guide, and it breaks down that complex subject into a step-by-step way which you can understand. The other is give an example and write your subject, and it's going to give you an example of that subject so you understand it more easily and you can learn through practical examples. And the other is improve this text professionally. Once you write this, just paste your paragraph over here and it reads the paragraph, makes it grammatically correct and makes it professional. All right, so these are the things you can do, which is the best AI prompts for beginner user of Kimi K3 AI. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.